Okay, good afternoon, Darshan. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so we'll start the discussion, right? Everyone will get your marks after the discussion, right? है ना, discussion के बाद marks मिल जाएगा. The reason why I did not give the marks is because in some previous. Okay, everyone, just message in the chat box. Question number one. Question number one. Everyone, message in the chat box. So first, it is multiple choice, right? It is multiple choice, and this is the only question in which answer is given. Answer was given of this, है ना? So I can say, see, first of all, it is displacement versus time graph. I hope all of you understood that. I have written that it is displacement versus time. It's not distance. Okay. Okay. So think about it. बहुत ही simple question है. Can time be negative? Tell me, can time be negative? As simple as that. Can time be negative? हाँ या ना? No. As simple as that. Right? Okay. And in this question, it is given that which graph do not depict the real situation. Now, think about it. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Right? It is time. It started. Time is positive, but then again, time started decreasing. Right? So how this is possible, right? Time cannot be negative. So this is wrong. है ना? This is wrong. In the same way, this also. यहाँ time बढ़ा, then time became negative. It is also wrong, right? So it is B and C. The answer is B and C. Got it? Tapish, my voice should not be cracking. Guys, is my voice cracking?
No, sir.
Tell me, is my voice cracking? No, right?
Correct.
Okay. Audible. Tapish, it is audible, right? So the answer is B and C. Okay. So the answer is B and C. So those who gave correct answer, they would have gotten 2 marks in this. है ना? Okay. Now, next. The numerical ratio of displacement to distance. Tell me. The numerical ratio, right? I hope all of you remember this. I hope all of you remember that we have studied, right? This was easy problem. है ना? That the ratio is, tell me, it is displacement to distance. Remember, displacement by distance is always less than equal to 1, है ना? Less than equal to 1. So the answer is D. Very good, right? So जिसका इसका answer D है, that is correct, right? That is correct. Clear, right? They will get 1 marks. They will get 1 marks. Okay. Now, third one. Third one. So a car travels 1/4 of a circle with radius r. I hope all of you have answered this correctly. है ना? 1/4 means quadrant, 1 quadrant, right? Right, everyone? Means if it started from point A, he will go till point B. This is also radius, this is also radius. So you have to find what? Ratio of distance to its displacement. Easy था कि नहीं? Tell me. हम लोगों ने क्लास में किया है कि नहीं? Right? Right, Navya, Tapish, very good. Now tell me, what is the distance? First of all, what is distance? Distance is equal to 2 pi r by 4, which is pi r by 2. So the distance is equal to pi r by 2. And displacement is this. This is the displacement, right? This is the displacement, which is root 2r, root 2r. So this ratio d by x, it is given by d by x is equal to pi r by 2 into, because x is this, root 2r. R will get cancelled, right? So it is, tell me, pi by 2 root 2. Pi by 2 root 2 is to 1. That is B. Hi, Anna. Okay. So the answer is B. Clear है? सबका आंसर आना चाहिए. ये क्लास में किया हुआ है हमारा क्वेश्चन, राइट? इसमें गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए थी. Okay. So the answer is B. B. So those who marked B, they will get the correct answer. And 1 marks. Okay, step by step.
Sir?
Yes?
सर डिस्प्लेसमेंट बाय डिस्टेंस डिस्टेंस बाय डिस्प्लेसमेंट है पाई बाय 2√2 है, तो पाई डिस्टेंस होगा और डिस्प्लेसमेंट 2√2 आएगा ना सर?
नहीं ना, it is pi by 2 root 2 is by 1, right? As simple as that. ठीक है, ये पूरा रेशियो है ना, so this is pi by 2 root 2 is to 1. It's not that कि ये है. And अगर तुम वैसे भी देख रहे हो, then also it's correct, right? If displacement is 2 root 2, then distance will be pi. That is also correct, right? ठीक है, got it?
Sir, then D option will come na sir?
No, na, it is pi by 2 root 2. It is pi into 2 root 2.
Sir, if we multiply both with 2√2, then
Multiply both by 2 root 2. 2 root 2. It will be what? 2 root 2 pi by 8. It will be 2 root 2 pi by 8. It should not be 1. It should be 8. Yes or no? Got it? रेशनाइज करोगे तो तुम दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करोगे ना.
yes
ओके,
sir.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Mostly I have given the question, the type of question which we have already discussed in class, है ना? सबको लगा होगा, right? So that class में हम लोगों ने almost discuss किया था. Prahlad, pi by 2 is the distance divided by root 2r is the displacement. Pi r by 2 is the distance, right? So क्या हो जाएगा solve करने पे? Pi r by 2 root 2r, r will get cancelled, right? The train travels a distance with a speed 30 km per hour, right? V is given 30 km per hour. And return with the speed this. Calculate the average speed of the train. Easy hai. In this case, what is same? In this case, what is same? Sir, distance is same, hai na? Distance is same, right? Still, I will use the basic method. I won't use any shortcut. I'll use the basic method, right? T1 is equal to d by 30. T2 is equal to d by 50, right? So average speed is equal to 2d because d1 plus d2 by t1 plus t2, right? So it is 2d divided by d bracket 1 by 50 plus 1 by 30. है ना? dd will get cancelled. So it is 2 into 50 into 30 by 50 plus 30. I hope all of you remember, if this distance is constant, then V average is given by 2uv by u plus v. याद है हम लोगों ने derive किया था पूरा, एक क्लास लिया था मैंने. So tell me 2 into 50 into 30 by 80. 4 times 12.5, है ना? 12.5 into 3 is 37.5. Clear है? हाँ या ना? Clear? Answer is B. ठीक है? So the answer is B. Okay? Got it? Okay? Right. Very good. Very good, everyone. Okay. Prahlad, I explained question number 2, right? Question number 2, I explained now it is basic ratio of distance by displacement. Displacement is always less than equal to distance. That's the basic definition. That's why the answer is D. Okay. And if you miss any concept, you can just watch the video once again after the class is over. Okay, because we have to discuss everything, na? Right? So fourth done, I guess.
Sir,
Fifth one.
sir, I have a doubt in fourth question, sir.
What doubt?
Sir, I have took d is equals to speed into time. They have given speed, sir, which is 30 km per hour, and I have took time as t, sir, time as x. So distance will be 30x, sir.
Yes.
30x, then distance 2 will be 50x, sir.
Again, that's a mistake that you did. Here, distance is same or time is same. That is the mistake, conceptual mistake that you did. This distance and this distance, both are different or same,
Same.
right? And time is different or time is same.
Different, sir.
Now you understood your mistake. You consider time as equal and distance as different. So that is wrong, na? Right? We have clearly discussed this. I hope all of you remember that we have clearly discussed what you have to do when distance is same, when time is same, right? Okay. ठीक है?
Okay.
समझ लो
Okay,
वो
sir.
सब
Yes,
लोग,
sir.
right? I hope all of you remember these concepts. ठीक है? देखो, कितने लोगों को याद है हम लोगों ने जो पूरा डिराइव किया था स्टेप बाय स्टेप, राइट? आई हैव डिराइव्ड एवरीथिंग, है ना? यहाँ पे देखो केसेस ले लेकर, याद है? इससे पहले का मैं था एवरेज का, एनीवेज आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इट बट या आई डिराइव्ड इट. ठीक है? ओके. नाउ सो क्वेश्चन नंबर, ओके, ये गलती मत करना एग्जाम में, ठीक है? You should be very clear with what is given, what is constant. ठीक है? Next, fifth one. During a constant accelerated motion of a particle, average velocity of the particle. Tell me, constant accelerated motion, right? बताओ क्या होगा? Tell me.
Sir, option A.
The answer should be option A. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Just take one example, na? Just take one example. Suppose this is your example, right? सबसे basic, है ना? In this case, it is constant accelerated motion, yes or no? Right? है ना? Okay, so you can say, sir, it can be C also. So if answer is A, it will include C. It will include C, yes or no? है ना? Okay, right? Anyone have any doubt? किसी को दिक्कत है इसमें? And this was asked in the module. है ना? प्रहलाद, हम लोगों ने क्लास में समझाया था ना कि अगर ये इनिशियल पॉइंट है, फाइनल पॉइंट भी यही हो जाए तो एवरेज वेलोसिटी विल बी 0. पूरा एक क्लास हम लोगों ने एवरेज वेलोसिटी पे दिया था, राइट प्रहलाद? याद आया कुछ? है ना? ओके, so if your answer is A, it will cover this C also, है ना? So actual answer is both A and C, right? Actual answer is both. It was a multiple choice, ठीक है? But अगर तुम्हारा A है, right, then also you will get the answer. C है तब भी तुमको marks मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है? So I'll just mark both answers correct, ठीक है? A and C both as correct. Yes, this was from advanced question, but it was very basic one, है ना? That's why you should solve module thoroughly, okay? Because I have given 3-4 questions from module. Okay, the brakes applied to a car produces a negative acceleration of 6 meters per second square. Okay, right? The car stops after 2 seconds. The initial velocity of the car is, बताओ क्या है इसका answer, everyone? Tell me. Okay, so 12 people are saying 12. Okay, I hope all of you understood है ना. So easy. V is equal to U plus 80 लग रहा है यहाँ पे. Okay, now V is becoming 0. U is equal to X, which is minus 6 into 2. So easy 12 meter per second. बच्चे वाला क्वेश्चन था ये. I guess इसमें किसी को दिक्कत नहीं होना चाहिए था, है ना. Yes. Now, so this sixth one we did. Seventh one. Now, seventh one was conceptual, right? Seventh one was conceptual actually. Tell me, a boy sitting on the top of berth in compartment of train which is just going to stop on the railway station drops an apple aiming at the open end of his brother, situated vertically below in his hand, at the distance about 2 meters. The apple will fall. Tell me. Everyone is saying B. In the hand of his brother, slightly away from the hand of his brother in the direction of motion of the train. Slightly away from the hand of his brother in the direction opposite to the direction of the motion of the train. None of these. Tell me. Tell me, guys. Yes, inertia of motion, correct. It is inertia of motion. Hannah, think about it. Think about it. First of all, this is the concept. Going to stop on the railway station. Right? It is going to stop. Hannah, bol diya, it is going to stop. So, right now, if it is going to stop, then this, right? I can say this is the hand, right? Now, because of inertia, the apple will still have the velocity in this direction. Yes or no? Hannah, right? Okay. So if the train will stop, this guy will stop, this guy will not move, right? This guy will be here. But this, because of inertia, have tendency to move. So it will fall like this. Hi, Hannah, it will fall like this. Agree? Okay. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Clear हुआ सबको ये? Everyone? In the direction of motion हो गया ना? In the direction of motion, right? It is in the direction of motion ना? C कहाँ से आ गया? है ना? Whenever anything, right, stops, so you have tendency to move in this direction ना? है कि नहीं? जानवी, that's wrong ना जानवी? जब भी तुम गाड़ी चलाते हो, गाड़ी में रहते हो, अगर कोई ब्रेक मारता है तो you try to or you tends to fall in forward direction, in the direction of motion. हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Tell me, right? So, और अगर accelerate होता है, then you fall backward. Inertia का basic concept है, very basic concept of inertia. So the answer is B. Agree everyone? हाँ या ना? Yes or no? ठीक है, किसी को डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. Very basic concept of inertia. Okay. Now, question number 8. Question number 8 is a good problem. Tell me, 8 का आंसर किसको उसको आया? क्या क्या 8 का? Okay, 8. Many students are saying. Some students are saying A also. Some students are saying C. Some are saying D. मतलब काफी लोगों ने गलत किया है इसमें. ठीक है, देखते हैं. A ball is released from the top of the tower, right? Suppose we have a tower. This is a tower. Okay. Okay. And height of tower is given as h meter. Height of the tower is given as h meter. ठीक है. It takes t seconds to reach the ground. ठीक है, so time is given, है ना, time is given as what, t seconds. So this height is given as h and time is capital T. What is the position of ball at t by 3 seconds? So obviously t by 3 seconds में कहीं होगा यहाँ पे, कहीं होगा यहाँ पे, है ना, राइट, और ग्राउंड से तुम निकालना है, you have to find this distance. इजी है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप. Okay, that is the distance you have to calculate. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to calculate this distance, you have to calculate simple this distance, right, and subtract from this हाँ या ना, ठीक है. So first of all, can you calculate the ball is raised from the top of the tower h, the time taken t seconds. So h distance cover करने में t time लगा, है ना. So can you find either h in terms of t? Okay, if you consider it is dropped, right, it is released from the top, so u is equal to 0, a is equal to this, है ना. So using this I can say, okay, h is equal to ut u0 half gt squared, ठीक है, हाँ या ना. This is h in terms of t. Now this is a relationship between h and t. If t is equal to t by 3, h is equal to what, h dash, which is 1 by 2 into g into t square by 9, है ना. Now this distance is what, this distance, easy question, this distance is h, so h dash is equal to h by 9, as simple as that. हाँ या ना, yes or no? चाहिए ही नहीं ना पुनीत, why you need the value, you don't need value, right, कहाँ मुझे value put करने की जरूरत पड़ी, है ना. Now this h dash is this one, yes or no, this is this h dash, so this h dash is h by 9. So what is this distance, it is h minus h dash, which is 8h by 9 from the ground, हाँ या ना, yes or no. So the answer should be A. Correct. Everyone got this? Everyone got your mistake? Anyone have any doubt in this? ठीक है, बताओ किसी को डाउट है तो पूछो. प्रहलाद अभी पूछो. क्लियर? ओके, ठीक है, वेरी गुड. So the answer was A.
Sir, but with respect to the tower, it would be h by 9, no sir? Then we're like, or should we always consider with respect to ground?
क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है ना ग्राउंड में, as simple as that. क्वेश्चन अगर टावर दिया होता तो h by 9 होता आंसर, as simple as that, right? क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, स्पेसिफिकली गिवन है फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड, राइट. सो h by 9 तुमने निकाल के छोड़ दिया, दैट इज आल्सो मिस्टेक, राइट, बिकॉज वो टॉप से है, राइट. सो अगर यहाँ पे लिखा होता है h by 9 मीटर फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ द टावर, देन इट वुड बी करेक्ट, राइट. ठीक है. Now ninth one was easy, है ना. Ninth one was easy. I hope all of you remember which represents uniform motion. ये मैंने as a bonus question दे दिया था, जाओ marks ले लो, right? It's like जाओ जी लो अपनी जिंदगी, marks ले लो. Answer is A, right? बहुत लोग सही किए होंगे, किसी ने D नहीं किया ना, किसी ने D नहीं किया, right? किसी ने D किया क्या सर? Zero uniform motion. अरे मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट बोला है and D is rest. ठीक है. Question number 9 done. 10th one, tell me 10th one. Tenth is of 2 marks. ठीक है, 10th is of 2 marks. 10th one, okay. So this is the ST curve. So यहाँ पे क्या है? X is increasing. So this is your velocity, constant velocity. हाँ या ना? This is your constant velocity. 0 to 5 constant velocity. 0 to 5 constant velocity. Wrong, correct. 0 to 5 तक में. Then 5 to 15 rest. 5 to 15 rest. 5 to 15 rest, 5 to 15 rest. Correct, correct. Then 15 to 20, again, negative velocity. 15 to 20 negative velocity. Yes or no? Hi Anna. Yes or no? Right? So negative velocity तो ये हो गया ना सर? है कि नहीं? Negative velocity तो ये हो गया सर? ठीक है? Right? ठीक है? Now मैं बोलूंगा सर आपने तो बोला नहीं ये वेलोसिटी है कि स्पीड है. अगर स्पीड है तो सर सी भी सही है. हाँ है ना? अगर स्पीड है तो सी भी सही है. राइट? बट यहाँ पे वेलोसिटी है, ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे वेलोसिटी है. ठीक है? सो द आंसर इज डी. द आंसर इज डी. सॉरी, इट इज नॉट ऑफ 2 मार्क्स, इट इज ऑफ 1 मार्क्स ओनली. इतना भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं था. भवानी 8 मैंने अच्छे समझाया. एक बार क्लास के बाद ना एक बार वीडियो देख लेना, मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा. ठीक है भवानी? राइट? और डिस्कशन के बाद मैं एक बार बता दूंगा पूरा. ठीक है? राइट? बिकॉज हमें पूरा करना है ना डिस्कशन. ठीक है? जो अभी चल रहा है वो कर लो. ओके? ठीक है भवानी? नेक्स्ट 11th. 11th इजी. बताओ 11th का आंसर क्या है? व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11? बी. नो डाउट इन दिस. राइट सर, ये तो बेसिक थ्योरी है सर. यस करेक्ट. ट्वेल्थ. A passenger sitting in a train with his face in the direction of moving train tosses a coin which falls behind him. It means the motion of the train is, tell me. Very good, Navya. Correct. Vaishnavi, correct. Accelerated. Yes, correct. Very good. A. है ना? Right? Accelerated. That's why the passenger will move more as compared to the coin. Accelerated. Yes, correct. ठीक है? So 12th is A. समझ में आया सबको? है ना? Right? Because if the passenger is accelerated, the train is accelerated, then passenger will move more as compared to the coin. 13th one, tell me, 13th one. 13th one. Tell me 13th का क्या होगा आंसर? D. D. Everyone is saying D. A. The girl is pushing, okay, crate with a force as great as the force of friction between the crate and the floor. Okay, right? So the direction is almost equal. The direction is equal. It is given now as great as the force of friction between this. The net force on the crate is equal to 0. That's correct. The body may be at rest or just start sliding. Correct. The body must not be accelerating. Correct. The answer is D, all of the above. Hi Anna. The answer is all of the above. Mansa, it is all of the above. ठीक है Mansa? ठीक है, because ABC तीनों सही है. Yes or no? Mansa, tell me. How you have doubt in A? When talk about this force, आगे की ओर force कौन सा है? Applied by the girl. पीछे की ओर force कौन सा है? Friction. So that is net force is 0. है ना?
Sir?
Because it is tendency, just tend to slide, right? So we know that in static friction, it is not accelerated, right? But at one point, it will tends to slide. Okay, yes, someone is asking.
Sir, I was asking the same, that why they have given sliding, just start sliding.
समझ में आया? तो see, because the basic concept of static friction, you understood the basic concept of static friction first, right? Now, एक चीज देखो, अपने आप अचानक कोई v velocity और x velocity से तो मूव नहीं करेगा ना, it will start with zero velocity, right? है ना? So if it is starting with zero velocity, it is starting. Acceleration will be zero. Acceleration is zero, then the force is zero, but it is about to start moving. Got it? Okay. Now next, 14th one. Equal forces act on isolated bodies A and B. The mass of B is 3 times that of the A. The magnitude of acceleration of A is easy है ये तो. प्रहलाद, फ्रिक्शन के वक्त मैंने बताया था ना कि नेट फोर्स फ्रिक्शन इज ऑलवेज, खुद सोचो ना, फ्रिक्शन इज ऑलवेज लेस देन इक्वल टू म्यू एन, राइट? ऐसा थोड़ी ना है कि फ्रिक्शन ज्यादा होगा तो इधर लगने लग जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है कभी भी. हम लोगों ने पूरा अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट भी किया था, राइट प्रहलाद? So equal forces acting on a body and B, the mass of easy है, तो बहुत easy है ना? Right? The answer is A. Yes or no? The answer is, wait, क्या बोलते हैं? Magnitude of acceleration of A ना? ठीक है. So F by M is equal to A. F by M is equal to A. So A1 is equal to F by M. A2 is equal to F by 3M. Right? और AA और AB है ना? Right? Clear है? So acceleration of A is 3 times, is 1 by 3 times acceleration of B, right? 1 by 3 times acceleration of B, because this is acceleration of B now, right? Sorry, उल्टा हो गया ना, 3 times हो गया ना, right? So this is acceleration of B and this is acceleration of A. So I can say this is 3 times acceleration of B. Answer should be A. हाँ या ना? Answer should be A ना? Clear है? A होना चाहिए. ठीक है? Got it? हाँ, same concept है पुनीत. Same concept, right? The answer should be A only. नेक्स्ट 14th हो गया सबका. 15th, यशस क्या कर रहा है? वालिया देख रहे तुम? हाँ हाँ, बोलो तो गाना लगा देते अलेक्सा को बोलकर, गाना ही बजेगा. ये खुला आसमां, ये हंसी वादियां. हाँ, टेल मी यशस. ओके, तपिश, concept intro for Tapish तुम. 4 cars are moving in a parking lot with different motions. Inside which of the following car will the Newton's first law of motion holds true? A car moving in straight line, slowing down. Okay, a car moving in circular path at constant speed. Okay, a car moving with straight line at a constant speed. Okay, a car moving in a straight line speeding up. Okay, so ये multiple choice हो जाएगा कि single choice होगा? हाँ हाँ, you are innocent, I know. You are as innocent as. चलो, टेल मी 15th का आंसर बताओ। प्रहलाद सही, यशस बताओ क्या है आंसर, बहुत बोलते हो, बताओ 15th का आंसर क्या है। What is Newton's first law of motion? Inertia, हाँ या ना? Newton's first law of motion, right, is all about what? Inertia, yes or no? Right? So tell me. So answer should be what? A and D now, both. Or C or B. Which answer is correct?
Sir, option C.
C.
Sir, C.
Why? Why? Tell me, why C?
Sir, because constant speed is there.
What is Newton's first law of motion?
Sir, the body remains in a uniform motion until and unless an opposite force is applied towards it.
Very good, right? है ना? So, body remain in constant velocity or constant motion, right? Until unless external force is applied. है ना? ठीक है? So, according to that, I can say which answer is correct?
C.
C. Anyone have any objection? Tell me, anyone have any objection?
Sir, why not?
अगर A सही होगा तो D भी सही होना चाहिए, हाँ या ना? As simple as that. हाँ या ना?
सर, अपोजिट फोर्स जब लगेगा तब तो स्लो डाउन होना पड़ेगा।
ब्रेक्स कहाँ लगा है? Who said, right? है ना? It is just saying that they are moving in parking lot. है ना? Right? Now, if you imagine the situation, right? Then tell me, समझ में आ रहा है ना? When you're talking about the cars moving in parking lot, क्या हो रहा है? Either, right? वो लोग रुक रहे होंगे, move कर रहे होंगे, है ना? ठीक है? Got it? So the answer is C. The answer is C. Right? Because in this case, no external force is applied. ठीक है. 16th one, tell me 16th one. No, Prahlad, it cannot be B. ठीक है. The automobile traveling with speed of 60 km per hour can stop within a distance of 20 meters by applying brakes. It is traveling twice as fast, that is 120 km per hour. The stopping distance will be. I hope ये सबको समझ में आया होगा, सबने सॉल्व किया होगा. बताओ ये कितना होगा? What is the answer this? Many students are giving many answers. See, guys, it's simple, na, right? So you know that it is initial velocity. Final velocity is going to be 0. Okay. If they're traveling twice as fast, the stopping distance would be, right? Now, brakes to same force lagayega, yes or no? The brakes will apply the same force. I assume that brakes will apply same force, yes or no? Right? So distillation will be same. So which formula to use? V squared is equal to U squared. Guys, please mute yourself. S1. Okay, V is 0. So U1 squared is equal to 2AS1. Right? है ना? So U1 by U2 whole square is equal to S1 by S2. बन जाएगा? हाँ या ना? Yes or no? So if velocity change twice, the distance will be 4 times. So what is the answer? D. D is the answer. Yes, correct. ठीक है, सबको समझ में आ गया? हाँ या ना? Everyone got this? So the answer is D.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we can use second equation of motion also.
Time is not given ना, तो second equation motion क्यों use करोगे? Right? Second equation motion के लिए क्या होता है? Time was given ना, time कहाँ given है यहाँ पे?
Okay.
U square is equal to 2AS, right? So in first case, U1 square is equal to 2AS1. In second case, so you can just say 2A is equal to U1 square by S1. Now, S2 is given by what? U2 square by 2A. 2A का value put कर दो यहाँ पे, है ना? So S2 will be given by U2 square by U1 square into S1. हो गया. So it is given that U2 is twice that of the U1. So S2 is 4 times S1. काम खत्म. प्रहलाद?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
समझ में आया प्रहलाद? प्रहलाद, did you get this? Right? So S1 is 20. So S2 is 4 into 20, which is 80. Now 17th. Easy है. 17th बहुत easy, बहुत बच्चे वाला होगा. I guess 17th is very easy. Correct. The answer is A. है ना? Answer is A. As simple as that. Right? 0. Correct. Because uniform velocity, है ना? Uniform velocity. The answer is A. Okay. Next. 18th one. 18th one. That is also a theory, है ना? That is also a theory. Normal force is always pulling or pushing. Tell me. Yes, right? Always pushing. है ना? Normal is always away from the, right? है ना? Clear है? So it is A. It is A. ठीक है? Now 19th one. The car accelerates in horizontal distance. The car accelerates in horizontal distance, right? Rho due to net force exerted by easy. बताओ, बहुत easy है. Think about it, guys. Think about it. It is D. Road friction के कारण होता है ना? Friction force के कारण move होता है, right? Friction force के कारण move होता है ना? Friction कौन लगाता है? Right? Yes or no? Everyone. 19th. D. Friction. The car. Yes.
Sir, but the car also accelerates by the force applied by the engine also, sir.
नहीं ना, इंजन के कारण रोटेट करता है चक्का. चक्का रोटेट करने के कारण वो फोर्स लगाता है पीछे की ओर टायर, राइट? और देन रोड pushes in the forward direction, है ना? Anything moves because of friction. The only force that is acting in the direction of motion is friction. समझ में आया? फ्रिक्शन नहीं होगा, जस्ट इमेजिन फ्रिक्शन नहीं है मान लो, तो कोई भी गाड़ी मूव करेगी क्या?
Sir, we can also solve this using third law of motion, sir.
हाँ, you can solve, right? That's third law only, right? Friction is like normally वही हो रहा है ना कि the lowest point it applies a force in backward direction. That's why the friction is applied on the forward direction. So it is applied by the road. Okay, ठीक है? Now 18th one, see 18th one I just said normal force का definition ही है ना? It is what kind of force? Normal force is a kind of force which is always away from the surface, है ना? So if any force is always away from the surface, it is pushing. 21. Rocket works on the principle of the conservation of easy. ये भी बहुत easy question दिए थे मैंने. Rocket works on the principle of conservation of C, momentum. Yes, very good. Momentum है ना, हम लोगों ने बहुत बार किया है momentum. Right? Conservation of momentum. Very good. Very good अनघा, very good दर्शन. है ना? So ये हो गया एक bonus question का शायद. Yes?
So I had selected momentum, but it's showing that I did not select any option.
No, but it is showing ना. See, I also filled in the same time. Everyone, तुम लोग दिखा था क्या? तुम्हारे साथ कुछ नेट इशू हो गया होगा? No issues. ठीक है?
Okay,
Right?
sir.
Bonus question. This is a bonus question. So बताओ क्या होगा इसका आंसर? Bonus question का आंसर? A graph describe the airplane acceleration during takeoff, right? है ना? ये भी एडवांस का क्वेश्चन था. Tell me, which is the correct answer? The airplane velocity when it lift off, right, at t is equal to 20 seconds is निकल जाएगा, कैलकुलेट कर लो कि निकल जाएगा. So initial is what? See, this is acceleration. Initial acceleration is given as a, है ना? Right? This is acceleration. Here the acceleration is 5. ठीक है? Advanced question है ये. Okay? Right? We know that area under this 80 curve will give me what? Tell me, area under this 80 curve will give me what? Velocity? हाँ या ना? Yes or no? प्रहलाद, 2 minute. Right? Area under the VT curve is velocity. तो बहुत basic है. What is this area, guys? What is this area? Can you find this area? It is equal to what? 10 into 30 plus half into 10 into 2. 40 meter per second. So at this point, u is equal to 40 meter per second. है ना? Now, यहाँ से constant acceleration है, time v is equal to 40 plus 80, which is 5 into 10. So it is 90 meter per second. The answer is 90 meter per second. Clear है? सबको समझ में आ गया? हाँ या ना? Tell me, Prahlad. Everyone got this? The answer is 90 meter per second. Right? Was this very difficult? Vastav, see, we know that area under acceleration time graph give me velocity, है ना? So 0 to 10 तक में हम लोग area निकालेंगे. That is the initial velocity at this point, है ना? Which is 40 meter per second. ठीक है? Right? Then from here to here, acceleration is constant. So we can use this equation v is equal to u plus at. है ना? ठीक है? Okay, right? So this is C. This is of okay, 1 marks. Okay, so many of you were saying sir marks कब मिलेगा, marks कब मिलेगा? तुम लोग marks मिल गया, ठीक है? Everyone got your answer, right? ठीक है? Everyone got your answer. Let's repeat. Let's reload. ठीक है? Now, right? Average is less than I expected. Okay, so this is something which is below my expectation. I'll send you your scores. I hope all of you understood your mistakes. Hi Anna, right? Objective test is supposed to check your conceptual understanding. Right? Clear है, right? वास्तव test was not tough, right? कहाँ से test tough होगा? तो एक भी question मतलब मुझे तो एक भी क्वेश्चन बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं लगा. अगर टेस्ट टफ लग रहा है ना, राइट, देन कहीं ना कहीं प्रिपरेशन में दिक्कत है ना. Now you will see your scores, right? Now you can see your scores. Now you check your scores, right? I'll just send everyone. Just wait, I'll just send everyone.